Son, you gotta kick it with authority.
This thing is amazingly crisp. Oh wow, and it vibrates so much too. Well guys, I'm riding this 1990 Honda CR500. He was telling me I gotta take a side lap on this thing and just get the feel for it, but he was telling me, the owner, about how it's all just in the low end, man. Like, all the power is made way low. Wow, this thing feels so weird. It vibrates so much, it's crazy. The vibrations I'm getting through my feet, like I've never felt foot pegs vibrate so much on a bike. Alright, get around me guys, I'm taking a side lap. I can't believe I'm on a CR500 right now. That's crazy. This thing feels dangerous. Alright, try to go a little faster. Woo! Brakes are interesting. It feels like I'm riding a Honda, like XR650, like a street bike. I never realized how big these things were. There's no way I would ever be able to go fast on this thing. Sheesh. Jesus Christ. A little bit of head shake. The suspension is super old, you can tell. I can't even believe how much effort this thing takes to ride. It's insane. This is just such a different experience. Like a spoon riding this thing. It's so tiring too. I can't even believe that. That's crazy. I have so much more respect for guys who can ride these things hard now. I had no idea they were this heavy. Oh man, that worn me out. I don't know how anybody can go fast on a bike like this, especially with this suspension. Like if the suspension was a little newer, like updated, it would be a little better, but it would still be so hard to ride one of these things, fast. Just crazy. Wow, what an experience.